Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a file in Penpot. Okay, so we have two options on sharing. The first one is sharing with a team member, okay, which will give them editing access. And the second one is for public links, or basically sharing for a basic function of viewing. Okay, so first up, the sharing with team member option. Just got to go to the top left, click on your Penpot and create a new team. Okay, follow simple prompts and you'll be given a new team. Okay, so I'm just going to open up this fresh team right here. Now you got to import whatever files you want. Okay, like these two. Hit on continue, wait for the accept button right here, accept, and there you have it. And once you have the files that you would like to share, now you got to invite members from here. Okay, just make sure that you select either if the person that you're going to invite is maybe an editor, just a viewer, or admin. Okay, so for viewer, we have a separate options for this. So to do that, okay, for example, this file right here, I'm going to double click on it to open it up. Now click on play right here at the top right. There you go. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, we have the share button at the top right as well. Click on it. Now get the link. Okay, manage permission. So who can comment and who can inspect? Only team members, or change it. Okay, so get the link, copy it from here, and send it to whoever you want. Okay, now if you don't want to share this file anymore, click on share once more and just destroy the link. Okay, there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.